Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how you can add a sales tax to a QuickBooks invoice. So first, you just have to log into your QuickBooks account. That's right. And then the next thing that you are going to do is to make sure that the sales tax is set up. So to set it up, you just have to go here to all apps and then go to the tax section. Okay, so you just have to follow the prompts to choose your tax agency and then enter your tax rate and then save. Okay, so make sure that you have your TIN with you. Okay, and then after that, you just have to go here, create, and then tap on the invoice. That is right. And then right here, all you have to do is to scroll down right here. Okay, so as you can see, for the invoice amounts are hidden. So we have exclusive of tax, inclusive of tax, or out of scope of tax. So here I'm going to select inclusive of tax. And then after that, right here, as you can see, you have the VAT. So I'm just going to select the 12% for this one. Okay, and then after that, you just have to input the rest of the details for this invoice. Then after that, you just have to tap on the save option. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.